Rivington Pike, which is clearly another time when I first got the drone, the Mavic Pro originally. It's just a walk up to the little monument, fly straight up, look around, fly down. I quite like it. I actually like the soundtrack on this one, so you're going to get it, whether you watch it or not. It's on you, innit? Right, let's go. Right, come on, let's go. So this is Rivington Pike. It's a monument, I don't know anything about it. I imagine it's like Jubilee Tower. It's quite steep, but look, up back there. We came down that path, along that way. I've been walking for about half an hour or so. Yeah, not even that, is it? So, get drawn out up here in a minute.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. Significant life, just what it was needed, clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we find it's over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. Ooh.
And then you've got your Stu Grace with that flipping booming noise. Holy crap.